Okay, so this is the bike home itself. As I was explaining in the intro, this is one of the ones that opens like concertinas to cover the bike and then packs away. It's just due to space limitations that I have. It's from feelgooduk.net, and I ordered it off of eBay for about £150. Okay, so the bike home took about 4 days via courier from eBay itself. Haven't opened a box. It comes all in this canvas bag here, which is going to be really helpful if I decide to collapse it and move it elsewhere, if I move home, etc. I got the cover, that's all in good order, no nicks, no tears or anything. I got the instructions here. Looks relatively straightforward, together with the anchor bolts that had its own little canvas bag, which is quite a nice touch. And I've checked all the kit is here as well, and seems, yeah, good build quality. So the product, up and really happy with it. It's been great. We have had some fairly strong winds recently. I haven't tried it in gale force just yet, but it seems really secure using the ground anchor bolts. It's nice and attached. The material itself, it's taut enough to keep the water off, but not so taut that it's a real struggle to undo it and collapse it. And as you can see, I'm taking the bike out, but it's dead easy. I can do this with one hand, so it's very manageable. And then best thing, if I decide I need to move at any stage, I just undo the bolts on the ground anchor bolts, and then I can lift the frame and move it to elsewhere wherever I need it. So really happy with the product overall. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to help other beaters out there too. Take care.